Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class of grammar. Today we are going to start chapter number 11, simple present tense. Okay. So here you can see here in in 11th chapter simple present tense you can see how do grandma and friends sleep in space. So in space you can see, students, there are they cannot sleep on the bed here. Okay, because in the space all of you know there is no gravity, right? So how do they sleep in the space? So grandma is telling the story, even inside the spaceship everything floats. Okay, in here you can say even inside the spaceship everything floats. We don't sleep on beds here beds floats too. Okay, here you can see here the beds are floating, so they cannot sleep on the bed here. They will, if, for example, if they are sleeping, they will uh, like a feather they will fall down. Okay, and they will get injury. Okay, so in even inside the spaceship everything floats. Okay, everything is floating here. Okay, we don't sleep on beds here beds float too. Okay, so here you can see present tension is used, everything floats, don't sleep, and float. Okay, beds float. So here words are used as simple present tense. We sleep in our sleeping bags. Now what they are using? They are using a sleeping bag here. Okay, that is attached to the walls. Our sleeping bags are attached to the walls. We get into our bag so that we don't bump into the walls. Okay, so they are attached to the walls so they can sleep. Okay, here simple present tense. Now here sleep are, get, and don't bump. Okay, so these are all the simple present tense word here. Present, we are all of you know what is the present, the thing which is going on. Okay, so this is called simple present tense. Now let us study more about simple present tense. Simple present tense, grammar is describing when they sleep every day. Notice the highlight words, they are verbs written in simple present tense. The grammar is describing when they sleep every day. Okay, so grammar is describing here how they sleep every day, and they have highlight, and notice, you have to notice the highlighted verbs. They are verbs written in simple present tense. Now in the here you can see the words are there: floats, don't sleep. Okay, float. So these are all the words relating to the simple present tense. Now let us study in deep about simple present tense. We use the simple present tense to talk about habits. Okay, we are using the simple present tense to talk about habits and action that are always true or happen repeatedly. Okay, so in the previous we used the simple present tense to talk about habits. So any habit is there, the things which we are doing in our day to day life regularly, that is called habit. Okay, habit means आदत. Okay, if you are आपको कोई आदत है तो आप रोज कर रहे हो, that is called habit. So habit and action. Okay, any action or habit you are doing every day, so this is called, there we use simple present tense to talk about. Okay, that thing if you want to talk, you have to use the simple present tense. For example, I play guitar every day. Okay, so play is a simple present tense here. Okay, I play guitar every day. GT plays guitar every day. Okay, now here you can say play and plays is used. Okay, so play and plays are simple present tense. Now here the GT is standing with the guitar. You can see here. Here you can see GT yesterday, GT today, and GT tomorrow. So here 3 GTs are there. Okay, so now let us study what is the simple present singular and plural form, how we can use it. In the first person we are using I live, I have. Okay, in the plural form we will use we have, we live, we have. In the second person, you live, you live. In the second person singular, you live, you have. And the plural form second person we will use you live, you have. In the second person, nearly all the things are same in the second person. Third person, he lives, they live, he has. Okay, so here has plural form is not there. Okay, he lives, she has, it lives, it has. Here will be they you have, sorry, they live and they have. Okay, so have is given here. Okay, they live or they have. Okay, these two words are used in the plural form. Verbs for third singular ends in s or es. The verbs in third person singular end in s or es. Okay, now here you can see that is a thing here. In third person we will use lives. Okay, not live. Okay, he live, not he lives. Okay, he lives, she lives, and it lives. Choose the correct words from the bracket ABC to form 5 sentences about a few action you do repeatedly. Now here in the bracket there are 3 brackets are given here, ABC. You have to use these words and you have to make the sentence here. Okay, you have to make the sentence about a few work action you do repeatedly. Now let us see. In the A option, it is play, speak, make, paint, listen, watch, eat, go, learn, and read is there. In the B option, pictures, a glass of lemonade, matches, salads, to my grandparents, with friends, to music, to school, mysterious stories, a foreign language. In the C options are there: every day, every week, in the mornings, on weekends, in the evenings. Okay, so you have to make the sentence which you do the action which you are doing repeatedly. Okay, now let us start. First one, I paint pictures in the evening. Okay, I paint pictures in the evening. Okay, so paint is there referred is paint is a simple present tense here. Okay, I paint pictures in the evening. It is a continuously thing that is we are doing. It is habit. Second one, second one, second one. My sister listens to music in the mornings. My sister listens to the music in the morning. Now here listens is also a simple present tense. Why? Because it is these are the habit which you are doing regularly. Okay, my sister listens to music in the morning. Third one, Mr. Venkat reads mystery stories in the evenings. When does the Mr. Venkat read? Mr. Venkat reads the mystery stories. Okay, mystery stories are there na. Okay, that for example there are so many movies are that we with the suspense is there. Okay, so like that suspense stories are there. Okay, so Mr. Venkat reads mystery stories in the evenings. Fourth one, Miss Shobha goes to matches on weekends. When does Miss Shobha goes? Miss Shobha goes to matches on weekends. Fifth one, the cook makes salad every day. The cook makes salad every day. Okay, so these are the 5 sentences which are made from this from the brackets. Okay, now let us learn about negative sentence in simple present tense. Okay, so we have seen the simple present tense. Now we will see negative sentence in simple present tense. Okay students, remember the first point that we have learned. What is a simple present tense? About it is a habit. Okay, the things which you are doing repeatedly, that is in the form of habit or an action that we are doing regularly or repeatedly. Okay, they are called simple present tense. Okay, so here we use simple the present tense to talk about habits and action that are always true or happening repeatedly. Okay, it must be true. Okay, it must not be imaginary thing. Okay, okay, so students, so here the things which are true or happening repeatedly are called as simple present tense. Okay. Now students, let us see the negative sentence in a simple present tense. We form negative statement by adding don't, that is do not, or doesn't for does not. So negative statement we are using in simple present tense, that is don't and doesn't. Okay, don't we are using for do not and doesn't we are using for does not. So first person singular will be I don't fly, I don't have. First person plural will be we don't fly, we don't have. Second person singular will be you don't fly, you don't have, and plural will be you, second person plural will be you don't fly, you don't have. So here you can see here students, here in the singular form I is there and plural form we is there in the first person. In the second person you is there and you is there. Okay, so there is no changes in the second person, only changes in the first person. Okay, now let us see third person singular. Third person singular is he doesn't fly, he doesn't have. She doesn't fly, she doesn't have. It doesn't fly, it doesn't have. So in the three form have is there. Now in the plural form they don't fly, they don't have. Okay, now see here in the interesting fact is there here in the negative sentence. In the first, second singular and plural we are using don't, and the third person singular we are using doesn't. Okay, so remember that doesn't for third person singular. Okay, the rest of it is used don't. So he doesn't, she doesn't, and it doesn't. Okay, remember that. The verb doesn't takes the s or es from where we can use doesn't or don't. I don't eat strawberry ice cream. Sneha doesn't have the ice cream. Okay, so now Sneha is also a third person, so we will use doesn't here. Okay, for third person. Okay, notice we use doesn't only when the subject is third person singular, he, she, it, or the name of the person, place, or thing. For example, if a name is given Sneha, Ruti, so we will use doesn't here. Okay, now let us go with the exercise. Turn the following positive statement into negative statement. Okay, using not, do not, or does not. So now students, before going we have to remember that for singular first person, second person, third person, sorry, in the singular first person, second person is don't, and in plural first person, second person is don't. Only difference is in the third person we are using doesn't in the third person, and the name or the thing we are using doesn't. Okay, now let us study the exercise. Turn the following positive statement into negative statement using do not or does not. I keep a journal. Okay, I do not keep a journal. I keep a journal. I do not keep a journal. So I here it is used. We will use do not for don't as it is a singular. Okay, singular person is there. Okay, now see here second one. I donate old storybooks to the orphanage. Now I is also singular, so we'll use do not. I do not donate old storybooks to the orphanage. They feed the birds. They do not feed the birds. Now here also plural is there. Okay, so you have to remember doesn't will be only coming where he, she, it, or the name of person or thing is there. Okay, in the third person you can see here you keep a bowl of water in the garden for the birds. You do not keep a bowl of water in the garden for birds. Okay, now here all do not is coming. Okay, now let us study here. Carl walks his old neighbor's dog. Carl walks his old neighbor dogs. Now Carl is here is a name of a person, so here doesn't will come. Carl's doesn't so does not walk his old neighbor's dog. So Carl does not walk his old neighbor's dog. Sixth one, Carl and Sandra try to learn their new neighbor's language. Now Carl and Sandra, they are plural, so here also do not will come. Carl's and Sandra, as they are plural, so we will use in the do not here. Carl's and Sandra do not try to learn their new neighbor's language. Okay, so here do not will come. As it a person name is there, but they are in the plural form. If it is a single person, we will use does not, and if it's more than one person, we will use do not. She writes in her diary regularly. Now he, she, it, what we are using, do not, does not. Okay, so she does not write in her diary regularly. So this was our exercise on B1. So that's for all today now. Thank you and have a nice day.